Hello everyone. You can all know me as Watch Me 20 or Touch Me 21. For everyone who doesn't know me, I'm just a psychology student. Trying to cope with something na galisod jud ko. And also I'm Bisaya. I also know about Japanese. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Anyways, arigato for listening. And also, I'm gonna talk about life exactly. Knowing the question, what is life in you? What is the questions that makes you want to live? And also dreams. I want to talk about dreams. Sa kanina video ako nakipakita karon is just me. Look at me smiling. Me nag-try ko cook for sa akong parents. And karon nagdira ko akong passion. Dira pa akong dreams na to know how to cook yun. One of my life goals. And firstly, I want to talk about my life. So good atong grade 12. Dara jud ko galisod to cope with how to talk to other people na conventionally and socially. Nabito ko more on sigara jud ko sa katawa. And I don't want it to be like that. And consistently. I want to kanang change na lang po. And for the change, kailangan ko kanang friends who are understandable. Then, kana gid akong look forward in life. Kana akong mga needs nako. Needs or hindi pa ningon na needs pero kanang socially acceptable. And also di man jud ko histrionic na people pleaser. And narapo ko sa kong sakto na way na I have self-respect and I have respect in others nila. Try na kong best na dili na ko sila that goes to show na there are simple things in life na makalipay sa tuwa and there are things na makasad sa tuwa. And I guess ingon pas na nila na or ingon pa na ako na enjoy the little things, appreciate them. Okay, dili na siya mag-last. Well, nothing lasts forever. And also, don't promise anything. I assure that na hindi sige mo speak to people without promising. Pero sa ako yung naibalan, do the things that you want to do rather than to promise na hope falsely na gina-accuse ni myself.